What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? No, all right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. But if you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. Remember, go check the doctor. Remember. If you don't have no money, like if you're broken and no money, remember, we respond for that. We're going to help find somebody to bring you to the doctor or call somebody to bring you to the doctor. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, who don't do wellness check yet? Do some wellness check by your friends and your family and anybody that you can do wellness check on. Even your enemy. Yeah, man, and guys, remember, if you don't cook any food, remember if you cook some extra. And you know, Miss Dorothy down the street, yeah man, and how me forgot Miss Smith move and come live down the street too. And up, cross the river, yeah, over the river you have Jasper over there. Jasper love to cook, but we don't want Jasper to cook. And then right up the road, you have Mr. Derek. Cook some food and make them get it. Because we don't want to go light no fire and go burn down the house with them in it. We don't want the problem. Guys, wellness check is not. Wellness check. What me say? Wellness check? Wellness check is not something where you feel left alone. You must do your wellness check because mental health crisis is serious. Mental health is dangerous. Guys, are your birthday? If I your birthday today, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Hey, one more year upon them. Yeah, man, if I your happy birthday, if I your birthday today, and if your birthday was yesterday, happy belated birthday. If your birthday today, happy birthday to you. Guys, I want to say to all my viewers and subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you very much for come join the team. Anyway, my guys, you know, so I want to say to you, thank you very much for the live last night. Yes, man, the live last night was splendid. It was nice. It was good. It's, you know, we have too bad getting visitors, but you know, for them word no mean nothing much. But we go have a little plan for them the next time. However, the live was nice. Yes, man. To big up, me name want big up no 1 and 2 and 3 people because you don't know. Me want to big up everybody we coming at the live. And remember, we go have more live. However, Nari live start at 9 o'clock. So you have some people go over Nari and want to go over Nari for hear what Nari say. So hear what me say. Me go work on changing the date. Yes, me go work on changing the date. So guys, make we go in at something. I have something to talk about today. Something very important and three things I want to talk about. And you know what them three things is? One, abuse. Yeah, me no hear nobody talk about that. Two, bullying. Me no hear nobody talk about that. And the bullying, me want to cover bullying and calling people, what do I call it now? Body shaming, yeah? So me go cover that. Another thing me really want to talk about too is, what them call it? Fornication? That's what them call it? Hold on. No, not fornication. Adultery. Yes, adultery I want to talk about. My viewers and subscribers, sit tight. So, me now wait. Me I get straight in at it. So guys, there is this big saying and people are writing a comment section. People are do this, people are say this about Nari commit adultery. Yes, let me say Nari commit adultery. But I want to ask a question, you see? So, the big thing is Nari commit adultery. But if you realize nobody is talking about what Nari said Khrista have done to him. Nobody is talking about the box when Nari get. The abuse when Nari get. No, nobody is talking about that. They're talking about adultery. Nari commit adultery because Nari was married and Nari was doing this and Nari was that. And check this out, up till now, not one of you have any, up till today's date, not one of you out there have any, what would I call it, prove that Nari have done anything. None of you have a proof. There's nobody can come forth and says, yes, Nari was with me, Nari is with me. None of you. Lies people telling about them have girl where did dinner something with Nari, and up till now the girl can't come forth. Up till today's date the girl can't come forth. But the biggest thing is Nari commit adultery, but nobody is talking about the box when Nari get. There's no video of anybody making a video and talking about away from me. I'm talking about what manipulation, abuse Nari was in dealing with Khrista. Nobody's talking about that, but all of a sudden comes up Nari commit fornication. So, and let me say this. No, not fornication, not fornication. Why fornication in my head? Adultery. Now, let me say this to each and every one of you. Adultery is between the man or the woman and God. We on earth here, we're not God. We are not God. However, I'm going to ask my friend a question. And I want to ask the friend the question. Listen how I'm going to ask the question. I'm going to listen how I'm going to ask the question. What is this? Listen good. Hello, Gemini. How are you today?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing wonderful. I'm here to ask you a question. Gemini, there's a debate between someone commit adultery and someone being abused by the woman that they married to. Gemini, can you talk to me about the difference between the two? Help me. I need your help.
Those are very different situations. Adultery is a violation of a marital commitment, while abuse involves harmful behavior, which can be physical, emotional, psychological, or other forms within a relationship. Are you interested in understanding the differences in their impact?
Yes, thank you.
The impact of adultery can be primarily emotional and relational, leading to broken trust, hurt, and potentially the dissolution of the marriage. On the other hand, can have severe consequences, including physical and psychological harm, and it's often a pattern of coercive control. Are you interested in understanding the legal aspects as well?
Yes, let me know if there is any.
Legally, adultery can be a factor in divorce proceedings, depending on the jurisdiction. Abuse, however, can have criminal charges associated with it, as it can constitute domestic violence. Is there a particular aspect you'd like to know more about?
Well, Gemini, the relationship between this individual and his wife is there is speculation that he commit adultery, no proof. However, she abuse him, physically abuse him, but nobody is talking about the abuse. All they're worrying about is the adultery. What do you think of that?
That sounds like a difficult and complex situation. The focus on the speculation over the potential abuse can be concerning, as physical abuse is a serious matter with potential legal consequences and significant impact on the individual. It highlights the complexity of relationships and what people choose to focus on.
So, Gemini, in other words, is what you're saying is when people is focusing on the what I would say something that there's no proof, but not focusing on what there is proof, it tells that people is not thinking about the victim. Am I right?
That's a valid perspective. Public perception can be heavily influenced by sensationalism or lack of information, sometimes causing the proven harm to be overlooked. Is there a particular scenario you're considering?
I will be back with you later on. Thank you very much, Gemini. Now, guys, did you hear me and my friend Gemini having a dialogue, having a conversation? You hear what Gemini said. How can you speculate about something that you have no idea about? You have no knowledge about. However, the abuse that the man tell you that happened to him, that she, the wife, have never said it never happened. None of you is debating about the boxing, the manipulation, the whatever you call it. And there is proof that she commit adultery. There is proof that she commit adultery. There is proof. Up till now, there is no proof that Nari commit any adultery. There is no proof. Speculation. Speculation. It's speculation. Because up till now, Nari haven't said he is with a woman or he's with Alicia Kim or what. Up till now, Alicia Kim never said, I am with or who is with who. But there is proof to show that she was with her ex-husband while still married. So my thing is to all of you, who is the one who commit the adultery? So the adulterer is also the abuser. Now you see what me I talk about. That is what me I talk about, and that's why I don't listen to vagabonds. I do not listen to vagabonds, because when I listen to vagabonds, my brain sits and want to just fly. I won't say what I'm going to say. I go leave it right there. I do not listen to unscrupulous, to people who cannot read. I don't listen to people who cannot reason. I do not listen to people who have non-progressive elements. I do not. I do not listen to them, because you have a person who was in a marriage and was visiting her ex-husband. We all don't know what was going on in the house, but if you're going to your ex-husband so often, what are you doing to him? What were you doing in the house so often that you have to be going there almost every evening, while your husband, your physical husband, is at home taking care of your kid and your ex-husband kid while you are at the ex-husband house. It's not like your kids is over there. Your kids isn't there. Your kid isn't there. So you will be going over there to look after the kid. Marry, have the kid. So why are you at your ex-husband house while your kids is not there? That is a question I would like for you to come out and ask and answer. I mean, that's a question I would like all these people who is talking about marry, commit adultery. That's what I would want you to ask. My viewers and subscribers, I'm a kind of person where
It sounds like you're referring to the various rumors.
no, not yet, Gemini, not yet, man. Lord Jesus, Gemini, you're just fast. Yes, so guys, this is what I'm saying. You guys are saying Nari commit adultery with no proof. But there is proof that show that the wife commit adultery. The wife backs him, abuse. But none of you is talking about that. None of you is debating about that. None of you is talking about that. Not one of you is saying that the guy get boxed by his now legal wife. They're not there, but them still married. And I don't know if he must stop his life because of this. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I only decide to talk about this because last night while on the live, Coach B was talking about it. I saw it, but I never really say much. But when Coach B said something about it, I have to make a video about it. How can you be saying the guy commit adultery when there is proof that the wife was visiting her ex-husband house? Because I tell you in a video that she went back to there with her ex-husband. I wasn't lying. And also, Nari tell you guys about the manipulation, the abuse. He tell you about the abuse that he get. The abuse that he get land her in jail. And she get a mugshot that she's so worried about. Because all she's worrying about is her image. Come on now, guys. Come on now, man. Any of you have any kind of sense, man? Not one of you five have ever make a video that makes sense about abuse, bullying, or calling a person FAT. Disrespect. Now, guys, I'm going to run over the next two things. Juliet, and talk up the things. Listen to what me I say to you. Now make no for funky person tell you what you do. Me know say them can't do that, but me I tell you from my mouth. Now make nobody tell you what you do. Nobody can tell you what you do. You have a lot of people on the social media. I tell you say them stop that person, them stop this person, them do this and them do that. When to be honest with you, them not do nothing to nobody because them themselves a gravel upon the bottom of the sea. I look for sand. Bullying. A peer bullying a go on. People, I reach out, I warn you, I tell you this, I tell you that. Oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. Bullying. Peer bullying a go on. But guess what? Nobody is talking about the bullyism. What is going on out there on the social media? What is going on in that little circle? The bullying. Trying to tell people what to do, what not to do, when to do it. I'm glad nobody can tell me how to live, how to operate, how to make video, what kind of video to make. I listen to my subscribers and some of my viewers, cause some of the viewers watch all the videos but they not subscribe. But me I wonder, wait, man. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. And if you're watching this video up till now, remember guys, me I tell you, thank you very much. Yes, guys. So guys, what we really want to talk about is just the bullying. Why are you trying to bully a big woman? Why are you guys trying to bully the young lady? Why are you trying to bully a big man? Why? Why? Just tell me why. Because you guys have no grounds that you guys still making videos on. You're making videos of stupidity. You are making videos of stupidity. There is no grounds to make the videos that you're making. This lady get locked up in jail. If it wasn't for Nari, she would be in jail. Domestic violence, abuse, but not one of you see it fit to say abuse is not good and you shouldn't be abusing your husband or you shouldn't be abusing your wife. Alicia Kim have a ex numbskull. Yeah, she have a ex numbskull who continuously dragging her through the mud, calling her dirty names, calling her all kind of names. Yeah. But none of you see it fit to say something about it. None of you see it fit to talk about it. But you get up every day and try to bring her down and try to drag her through the mud. She went on a plane. She went on a plane and want to make video talking about she couldn't hold in the seat. Body shaming the young lady. What did the young lady done to you? What did the young lady have done to you guys that you guys come out body shaming her? Talking about she put on this, she put on that. Not one of you is feeding her. Not one of you is taking care of her. Instead, she is the one who is feeding you all because without you all make a video off of her, you guys won't make no video. As a matter of fact, not a matter of no video. But you guys won't make no money off YouTube. Why are you guys why are you guys so mentally disturbed and so jealous and so drunk minded and so what's the other word? What's the other word? I cannot find another word because these words are too good to even call. Oh no. So I'm going to say, why are you guys are so drunk or jealous? Why uno so drunk or jealous and so drunk or bad mind? A new word them now. A new words. But why are you all so drunk or dirty, drunk or bad mind, and so drunk or jealous over the young lady? Grow up and leave the lady and her family alone. Body shaming her, body shaming the whole family. It is not good. No respect. No respect at all for the ladies. Ladies, listen to me. Listen to me, ladies. We all are parents. I have kids. Most of you have kids. When you're going to sit down as a woman and listen to a man drag another woman through the mud, drag another woman by her weight, drag another woman because a man divorced her. What can I really say about you as a woman, or as a woman, or as a female, or as a lady? I won't say anything bad because that's not who I am. But I am asking you, go in front of that mirror, look in that mirror and ask yourself, if for you to be listening and you to be a part of what they're doing too. Alicia Kim, as a woman, ask yourself the question, what if it was me? Would they do me the same thing? And you yourself answer it. I won't answer it for you. You yourself answer that question. If they're the same person who is going to chastise you, who is going to say the same thing, maybe more, maybe worse, things that they said about Alicia Kim. Ask yourself that question. Look into the mirror. Then I'm going to ask you this question. I'm going to be bounty killer now. Look into my eyes. Tell me what you see. Can you see my face? I'm not your enemy. You are your own enemy. You are your own enemy because of what you have been through in your life. And what you have been through in your life, you could not get out of it and be like Alicia Kim. So that's the reason why you believe you should stand up and fight against her with them. Make that sink in. And ladies, I'm still talking to you. Look into that mirror and look at your man that you're with and ask yourself the question, if I go over to him and shut him a box, put a box on him, what would he do to me? Would he walk away or would he come back at me? Oh, you're asking, what am I talking about? She abused, Khrista abused Nari, and not one of you would come out and say, Khrista, you're wrong. Khrista, you are wrong. All of you come out and says, Khrista, you're right. We're with you. We on your side, girl. We bear your pain. We feel your pain. Yeah, a lot of you feel the pain. Yes, a lot of you feel the pain because a lot of you sit down in abuse, say nothing and do nothing. But Nari did not sit down in the abuse of his estranged wife. He get out. And you all don't like him for that because he get out. A lot of you don't like Alicia Kim for the same thing because she get out of the abuse, the mental abuse that she was going through. She get out. She move up in life, and that's why many of you don't like her. Oh, you never know that I know all those things. You never know that someone would say it. That's the reason why you all don't like them. And that's the reason why you guys don't like us. Because we are here on the behalf of the victims. We are here on the behalf of the victims. You are here on the behalf of the abusers. But yet still, you believe you can come out here and bully me or bully, talk up the things or bully Juliet or bully Alicia Kim. No, we not take talk. We do not take talk from no for funky drunk. Did I just say that? Lord Jesus, have mercy upon me. My viewers and subscribers, many times I don't really want to say them words, even though it's simple, it's drunker. Yeah, it's drunker when we talk about drunker all the while at Jamaica. But sometimes I don't really want to say them words, but sometimes the words then just feel nice to come out. For funky drunkers. Guys, it hurt me hard sometimes. Well, not sometimes, all the time when I listen and see stupidity. So what I now start to do is I don't listen to for funky drunkards anymore. I have no time to listen to funky drunkers anymore. I don't listen to them at all. I don't pay them no mind. I don't watch videos to make videos. To be honest, I do not watch a person videos to make videos. All I'll see is the thumbnail or someone will say what happened and I make my videos, or I'll have my videos to make already. Because I'm not watching none of these funky drunkers anymore. My viewers and subscribers, with that said, I'm out. Bye bye. And guys, I have a video coming up that I want you all to watch. There's a reason behind that video, and I go show you and tell you the reason behind that video. So watch that video. That video coming up later on, or maybe tomorrow. But I think later on. Peace and love. I'm out. Bye bye.